Top 8 Journaling Hacks for Emotional Awareness. Do you often find it hard to understand your emotions? Maybe you feel overwhelmed, unsure about how to express what you're going through, or simply want to make sense of your emotional ups and downs. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Emotions can be tricky to navigate, but one of the best ways to get more in touch with them is through journaling. In today's video, I'm going to share 8 journaling hacks that will help you gain a better understanding of your emotions, improve emotional awareness, and lead to a more balanced state of mind. Let's dive in. 1. Practice free writing, stream of consciousness. Free writing, or stream of consciousness, is a great way to start journaling. This technique involves writing non-stop for a set amount of time without worrying about spelling, grammar, or structure. It allows your unfiltered thoughts and emotions to flow onto the page, helping you access your true feelings. By bypassing internal self-censorship, this technique opens up a deeper connection with your emotions, providing clarity you might not have experienced before. It's a way to get everything off your chest without any judgment or restrictions, which can be a great relief. 2. Use targeted prompts. If you're feeling stuck or not sure where to start, specific journaling prompts can help guide you. Questions like, what emotions did I feel most strongly today, and what triggered them? Or, is there a pattern in my feelings lately? Can help pinpoint emotional themes. These targeted prompts encourage deeper reflection, making it easier to identify emotional patterns and the factors that influence your state of mind. It's a great way to break through any writer's block and unlock deeper insights into your emotional landscape. 3. Name it to tame it. When you feel a strong emotion, take a moment to name it in your journal. This practice, known as name it to tame it, involves recognizing the emotion you're experiencing and writing it down, such as, I am feeling frustrated right now because of X. This simple act of labeling emotions can reduce their intensity and give you more control over your reactions. It's a powerful step toward emotional clarity, and it can be surprisingly effective in reducing anxiety and stress in the moment. By recognizing your emotions, you allow yourself to process them in a healthier, more productive way. 4. Track patterns and triggers. By regularly reviewing past journal entries, you can identify recurring emotional patterns or specific triggers. You might notice that certain people or situations repeatedly provoke the same emotional reactions. This awareness is crucial for managing your emotions more effectively. Over time, recognizing these emotional patterns will help you better prepare for similar situations in the future. The more you track, the better you'll understand yourself, allowing you to respond to emotions with greater emotional intelligence and control. 5. Incorporate gratitude. Gratitude journaling is a simple but effective way to shift your emotional perspective. Dedicate a portion of your journal each day to list things you're thankful for, no matter how small. Focusing on positive aspects of your life can improve your emotional outlook and reduce stress. Regular gratitude practice helps you develop a balanced view of your life and can be a great tool for managing negative emotions. It also shifts your attention away from what's going wrong, making it easier to see the good in every situation, no matter how challenging. 6. Write about physical sensations. Your emotions often manifest physically, so it's important to pay attention to those sensations. When you feel an emotion, try to note where in your body you experience it, like feeling tightness in your chest when anxious or warmth in your face when happy. Writing about these physical sensations in your journal helps create a stronger connection between your mind and body. This increased self-awareness will enhance your ability to understand and regulate your emotional state. By writing down where you feel your emotions physically, you not only become more in tune with your body but also gain valuable insight into how emotions affect you. 7. Delay displaying emotions. Use your journal as a drafting board for intense emotions. This technique allows you to process your feelings privately before responding to a situation. If you're feeling overwhelmed or frustrated, write down your initial reactions in your journal. Once you've had time to reflect on your feelings, you can choose a more thoughtful and controlled way to respond to others or the situation at hand. This step can be a great tool for preventing regrets and improving communication with others during stressful times. 8. Ritualize the process. Creating a consistent journaling routine makes it easier to tap into your emotions. Set aside a specific time each day to journal, whether it's first thing in the morning to clear your mind or before bed to reflect on the day. This consistency trains your brain to enter a reflective state, helping you focus on your emotions without distractions. Over time, journaling becomes a natural and valuable part of your daily routine, providing you with greater emotional clarity. The more you make journaling a habit, the easier it becomes to access deeper emotional insights, even during challenging times. Journaling is a simple but powerful tool for enhancing emotional awareness and improving mental well-being. By implementing these 8 hacks, you can better understand your emotions, reduce stress, and cultivate a more balanced emotional life. Start small, experiment with these techniques, and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video and found the tips helpful, please hit that like button, share with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more helpful content. Keep journaling and take care of your mental health.